Cooking vocabulary with sentences. I am stirring the curry. I am stirring the curry. I am rolling the dough. I am rolling the dough. I am washing the fruits and vegetables. I am washing the fruits and vegetables. I am grating carrots. I am grating carrots. I am peeling potatoes. I am peeling potatoes. I am dicing potatoes. I am dicing potatoes. I am boiling eggs. I am boiling eggs. I am frying an egg. I am frying an egg. I am slicing a tomato. I am slicing a tomato. I am grilling chicken. I am grilling chicken. I am baking a cake. I am baking a cake. I am spreading butter on toast. I am spreading butter on toast. I am squeezing lemon juice. I am squeezing lemon juice. I am frying fish. I am frying fish. I am sautéing onions. I am sautéing onions. I am cutting oranges. I am cutting oranges. I am chopping vegetables. I am chopping vegetables. I am whisking eggs. I am whisking eggs. I am cracking eggs. I am cracking eggs. I am scrambling eggs. I am scrambling eggs. I am roasting meat. I am roasting meat. I am flipping pancakes. I am flipping pancakes. I am caramelizing sugar. I am caramelizing sugar. I am mashing potatoes. I am mashing potatoes. I am carving the turkey. I am carving the turkey. I am stirring the coffee. I am stirring the coffee. I am whipping cream. I am whipping cream. I'm whisking eggs. I'm whisking eggs. I am brewing coffee. I am brewing coffee. I am kneading flour. I am kneading flour. I am blending smoothie. I am blending smoothie. I am ladling soup into bowl. I am ladling soup into bowl. I am sprinkling herbs on pizza. I am sprinkling herbs on pizza. I am sifting the flour to remove lumps. I am sifting the flour to remove lumps. I am slicing the cake. I am slicing the cake. I am pouring milk. I am pouring milk. I am decorating cake. I am decorating cake. I am arranging sushi rolls. I am arranging sushi rolls. I am mixing ingredients. I am mixing ingredients. I am making milkshake. I am making milkshake. I am scoping ice cream. I am scoping ice cream. I am crushing garlic. I am crushing garlic. I am grinding spices. I am grinding spices. Subscribe for more videos.